watch this scenario that actually happened to me yesterday.
Afterwards, we will discuss how we might have done it differently. Let's get started.
So anyway, like I was saying...
Hi, Yasmin. Can I ask you a survey question?
Sure.
Do you have any pets?
Yeah, I've got one cat named Layla.
Okay.
Oh, I'm Julie, and I've got 2 dogs.
I wasn't here to ask you.
Let's see how we might have been able to handle that differently. So what were you saying about this?
So we had this great movie night the other day, and we just ate so much popcorn. Oh.
Hi, Yasmin. Can I ask you a survey question?
Yeah.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I've got one cat named Layla.
I'm Julie. I have 2 dogs.
Hi, Julie. Thanks for participating.
Sometimes people may want to join into your conversation.
Always be open to talking to new people so we don't offend anybody. Thank you. Thanks for watching.
Be sure to click that like button and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.
See
Bye.
you
See you
next time.